Hi guys! In this week's video, we'll be making the cream for these beautiful mini cupcakes. Get ready and here we go! So first, we'll be needing 500 milliliters of milk. Pour 3/4 of this milk into a medium casserole and heat slowly until it starts boiling. Into the remaining milk, mix 1 pudding or follow the instructions on the package of the pudding. When the milk starts boiling, pour slowly the mixture with the pudding into the casserole and keep mixing. After 2 minutes of having it boiled and mixed, cool down the pudding by putting the casserole in cold water while still mixing the pudding. Once the pudding is at room temperature, you can stop mixing. Empty the pudding in a big bowl and add half a cup of butter. Add half a cup of icing sugar and with a handheld blender, mix all the ingredients together. As I'll be making 2 distinct flavors with this cream, once I got a homogeneous mix, I reserved half of the mix in another bowl. For this part, I'll be doing a rum flavored cream. And cheers guys! No, this one is going into the mix. Let's stay focused, it's serious business here. Add an ounce of rum and keep blending until you get a nice smooth texture. It can take several minutes. For the other half that I parted, I'll be making a coffee flavored cream. I added 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into 2 tablespoons of hot water and added it to the cream and mixed it all together. Once you're done, wipe off the sides of the bowl. My third and last cream will be a strawberry cheesecake flavored cream. I'm using half a cup of cream cheese, like Philadelphia, let's say, half a cup of icing sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 delicious and fresh strawberries. Mix the whole thing together until you get a nice and firm consistency. Now all is left is to put the different creams into pastry bags and in a round motion, spread the cream on the mini cupcakes. For the cupcake recipe, click the link on the top right corner of the screen. And I did the same thing for the strawberry cream and the rum cream. And for the final touch, I have cut out tiny white flowers into some sugar paste and topped the middle of the flowers with a golden sugar pearl for the rum cream flavored cupcakes. For the coffee ones, I simply added 3 dark chocolate coated quinoas in the center and sprinkled the tops of the cupcakes with cacao. And I did the same thing on the strawberry cream flavored cupcakes. I simply added 1 pink sugar pearl on each one of them. Quick and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't hesitate. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Instagram page. I'll see you next week.